and welcome back to Twist Fashion. I just wanted to show you how I created this very cute but cheap 1920s Gatsby outfit. The dress was originally from a charity shop for £12, which I've customised. The headband I will link below. You can either make, there's also a tutorial on that, or I'll put the link from eBay also below. Earrings from eBay, and some long gloves to finish off the look. So with the dress, I'll insert a picture now. The dress had long sleeves and was longer, and we've taken it in. We've cut off the sleeves, we've left the little shoulder pads, we've not had to hem it or anything, it just tucks under. And then we've taken in the waist because it was a bit baggy, and then we've cut the hem into little strips to give it that tassel look. And now I'll show you what it looks like on.